ang Presidential Broadcast Service.
Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko
ng bagong Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon na guugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Sa Iloilo, Radyo Pilipinas. 585 AM.
Welcome back once again to your favorite edition of the Low Interview.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm your host, Gray, and this is Study Break. So, for today's episode, pag-istoryahan natin or rather, it is a special segment because we will talk about the 11th charter anniversary of the university. And we are going to know some of the events that will take place. So, and also, as additional bonus, we will also promote one of the activities of the Bachelor of Fashion and Design naton kag pag-istoryahan ta ano ini kag ano ang mga i-look forward naton sini nga mga events. So anyway, for our charter, we'll be talking about hackathon, what is ideation and mentoring session, and the much-awaited hackathon pitching. So sit back and relax, and we will come back after this short break.
"11 years of purpose, progress, and transformation. From a vision, a university was born driven by knowledge, strengthened by innovation, and guided by service. This is no ordinary university. This is ESETU.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakatsang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapagulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ESETU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, ug advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ESETU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ESETU. Enroll now!
Alas 3 na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ESETU!
ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ESETU!
Dili lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ESETU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tugtog alas 4 sang hapon, Martes tugtog Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes ukol kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovette Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies. Upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ESETU President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa ka Miyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa nga gindisenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na na para hindi ka maulhi sa Study Break. Ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, tagsa ka Webes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalailaing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sa diin ng Institute may global collaboration sa international advancements. Kag sa tagsa ka Bernes, kanta si Miss Gida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil. Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter. Whether on air,
Or online,
stay informed
inspired.
and connected.
Nabudlayan ka bala mangita ang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sa venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sa Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building. Kag mangita lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. Open magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190, local 292.
Good afternoon once again. Time check, it's 3:09 p.m. and we have the guest here right now, no. Mga kilala ni sila kuno. Hindi ka kuno kilala, gid labi na gid ang ari. I don't know if you know them personally now, but I will give them the chance to introduce themselves. Sirs, can you please introduce yourself?
Maayong hapon, no? Maayong hapon, Iloilo. Maayong hapon, ISATU. Ako gali si John Joseph Tabladillo, the current Marketing and Communications Officer under ISATU Quadra TBI. No? Isa sa programa under sa IPMO, under ina sa Vice President for Research and Extension.
Alright, good afternoon Iloilo, and of course, good afternoon ISATU. I am Jobertina Catedrilia, currently the President of ISATEC Society.
So we have here the president of ISATEC Society and also the co-advisor si Sir JJ nato, no, si Boss JJ.
Boss yun yan.
Bossing ko ni siya, no? But anyway, si Sir JJ is the co-advisor also of ISATEC and also one of the staff of ISATU Quadra TBI. We invited them because sila ang ga-manage or sila ang head or sang-aton ng mga events, especially sa hackathon naton, sa incoming naton nga 11th charter anniversary. So we would ask them ano ang purpose kag ano nga ang amuning ang ilang mga events nga ginbutang ini naton sa charter kag how important it is para sa aton mga students, no. So to start off, ano gid bala ang main goal nga i-organize tang amuning nga mga events, Sir JJ?
Boss, no? Boss Gray. Sir Gray. So, the purpose, no, of having ang aton nga paabotong activity, which is the Code Olympics 2026, no? Actually, ang Code Olympics ninibago sa mga estudyante, no? Pero subong, miyara kita ginatawag ang Code Olympics Faculty Innovation Edition. That is the first ever nga programa na to, no? Para ina sa aton yung mga pinalangga nga mga faculty sa bilog nga campuses diri sa ISAT University nga naga-aim for nga maka-create sila sang innovative solution out of their researches, no? And also, this will be conducted during May 16 to May 18, no? Tatlo ni siya kadlaw in which nga igrupuhon ni sila, no? Inila ko maghambal gyud sa mechanics dira, but actually ginapanawagan na nato ang mga faculty to join, no, sa aton nga event, and tanan nga campuses and also ang aton nga faculty kinahanglan diverse man ang ilang mga backgrounds, like may kita agriculture, IT, education, industrial technology, tourism, so on and so forth, no. They will create a solution out of the problems existing nga meron kita or even the research, and by 3 days kinahanglan maka-come up sila sang any, no, innovative nga solution nga makagamit gid or magamit gid sa community or their target beneficiaries.
So real life problems
yes, kinahanglan gid, no. Basically kinahanglan reality wise, no. Hindi siya pwede nga basta-basta lang or putso lang ng mga solutions, but kinahanglan working and ano gid siya prototype gid, no? Mo gina target naton sa aton mga faculty.
It's nice to know may mga activities sa university nga amo sini nga ginatackle nato ng real world problems. But to add to that, Sir JJ, no, o boss.
Wow. Oh, yeah.
So, hindi man niya wala man niya gina-target ng specific course, no?
Wala.
Any course would be able to join.
Any course, no, partner ko ni boss ko ni. So any course, no, open gid sa aton yung mga pinalangga ang faculty. In fact, the memo was already released and disseminated yesterday. Kag gina-hope gid nato, naka-post kita paagi sa aton yung Pico page, no. Open gid kita, no. I advise siguro sa tanan ng mga faculty, create a team, no. Pwede man nga lain-lain ka mo courses, hindi man pwede nga sa mambaka mo bisa ka mo tanan taga computer studies, no, isa ka mo tanan taga agriculture, okay man na, pero mas nami gid nga diverse, no, ang aton nga team. And yes, all wala lagi tayo pili, any courses na gusto mag-join diri are open.
That's nice to hear, no. So, kay Daniel naman, no? So, Daniel.
Yes, sir.
Naman ako pamangkoton. As a student and as the president of ISA Tech Society, what do you think are the skills nga ang mga mag-gain sang mga students naton through this activity?
Well, actually, when you talk about hackathon, Abe, there is a diverse of skills. Yeah.
Pwede mo ma-explain sa amon gali pa sa amon sa mga taga-lantaw naton nga wala pala idea kung what is hackathon.
Okay, sige.
Can you please explain?
Alright, so basically yung hackathon is you're given a problem. It's you're hacking the time because it's because yung mga problems na given are not supposedly going to be solved in just a single period of time. So what you're doing is you're hacking the time. It's like hacking the time, then it's a marathon because the goal is to finish, diba? To finish the solution after the given amount of time. So basically yung hackathon have like different stages gid siya. So one of which siguro ideation phase, which is you ideate your solution based off sa problem nga ginhatag sa inyo. And if we're going to talk about the skills nga makuha ninyo sa hackathon mismo, there is a lot of things siguro nga pwede nyo gid makuha. I mean, it's a diverse event of skills, no, especially mga technical skills, mga communication skills, stakeholder, project management, pero ganun, damo actually. And I think mga students sometimes nung nag-eelintra, didra pa nila ma-discover ang ilang skills in terms of solving a problem, no? Not only technical but also non-technical skills, especially sa paghambal kasi you're pitching, you're proposing your project sa mga like panelists. Basically the research defense sa balahaw. Yeah.
Ang panelists naton sini diin outside of the university or here?
They will be properly or let's say matisik kita sa ila, no. Gamay nga hint halin sila sa tanan sagwa, different sectors we have from the government, we have from the private sector such as a business naton yung sector because we have business, you know, ang aton yung business sector diri sa Western Visayas are very help support yun sila sa aton startup development here in Western Visayas.
Okay. Nami lang, no, aton nga R&D sa, diba? Research and development are helping our students and so the mga NGOs natin.
And yes, actually boss, no, gusto ko lang i-add nga at the same time sa Code Olympics kani there is May 16 and 8 to 18 dungan man ina sa pag-establish kag pag-open and launching sa aton nga innovation hub dira sa Babaw 5th floor dito sa research hub wherein open ina siya sa tubilog nga Western Visayas and that is, you know, open to all our startup founders sa gusto dira may kita co-working space dira open siya gina-hope gani nga 24 hours open siya kay balan mo mga startup founders are very much willing to work beyond 8 to 5, no? And aton nga mga faculty researchers at the same time, no, pwede na sila kagamit dira and also students sa Babaw gina-hope naton nga ma-launch kit siya this month.
We're looking forward to that, no? And also, it's a given naman nga ISAT University is into research. We're just showing it nga it's not just faculty, no, ang into research, but also students. Just like Mr. Daniel here, I know as a president of ISA Tech Society, you have also solved some real-world problems. Can you give out an example? Or mayara ikaw nga na kabulig, bala, or ano?
Yeah, actually, one of which siguro yung milestone gid siguro as a isa tag president nga na ano ko gid is when we went to Manila for the HABI na workshop. It's a workshop / hackathon wherein you solve a problem in just 5 hours. Yeah, with 5 hours, it's just very overwhelming to the point nga we really didn't even thought nga ma-finish na naman. So dito it was from NEDA. No, it was from NEDA. DepDev na right now. Yeah, DepDev na right now. So they've given us mga themes, mga pain points sa Philippines based off sa ilang 2030 resolution nata. So dito gin-focusan naman is the education sector, which is there are students nga or even senior high school graduates that don't even know how to or doesn't even know how to read, write, and solve basic arithmetic. So what we did is we offered them a solution wherein it is focus siya sa mga remote areas. Kaya di ba may mga remote areas kita nga hindi siya gyapon malabot, and one of the problems with mismo sa modules ng DepEd according to them is that their modules are generalized. So wala sang one size fits all. So ang ginimo namon, we gamified the solution itself for the retention sa mga students mismo. So among 60 plus siguro nga mga universities nationwide, we've managed to rank or nadala sa top 10, no? And of course sa sector nga to sa education sector, out of 16 or 20 teams, we managed to rank top 2 out of those teams. So it's very very nice, no? Pero yeah, na siya.
So, gabi galing mga mga bata-bata sa society, no?
Tamando, hindi ma-assay. Ay, grabe.
I would just like to inform you that Sir JJ or Boss JJ is the previous nga student regent natin sa university, no? So,
Years ago, wow.
Muna siyang
Yeah.
ang balya pinakagwapo ko no sa
Uy!
At anyway, to continue the discussion, no. Sa aton bala nga mga events sa charter, no, the pitching, the hackathon, and so many others, may gina-expect bala mga students nga mga prizes sina. May hata ina or wala?
Definitely for this Code Olympics, no, wala kita gid sang definite yun nga, let's say, cash prize. But siguro ang ma-assure gid naton that their research will be in line siya sa aton nga research agenda diri sa university, that it can be in-house, no? Kag at the same time matagaan gid siya sang support in terms of magsiling kita nga do bisan gamay lang
So,
ang research.
it's more on the opportunity, no?
Yes. Oo, yes. Amo na ginahatag naton sa aton mga faculty. Kag after sang hackathon, hindi siya namon pagisiling nga pagtapos Code Olympics, why na?
Why na? Amo lang ni
Tutukan
siya
gina
basta
naton.
today, no?
Oo, hindi tutukan gina naton. I-work on tabuligan tang ilang solution and for the possibility of giving them grants, no? Amo gina aton.
Stage na tadayon.
Yes, kag align ta siya sa aton nga diri sa ISAT-U ang balad naton ang ginatawag ta nga futures thinking bala, no?
Yes.
In terms of the ang aton nga research agenda. Okay, so yun, no, vertically aligned ang aton nga ginahatag nga support, and also ga-aim kita, no, nga ma-achieve naton ang objectives ng ISAT University.
We have to, no? We really have to show them nga may ang ISAT is with sa research.
Yes.
And last na lang, no? Last question for the event, no? What can you advise students and faculty para hindi ba lang ang ilang or what can you advise para mas mahapos mag-teach sila and to process the real world problems to them? What advice can you give?
Simple lang ako na advice, no? Be open, no? Be open to joining activity, no? Be open to hear, no, the pitches, although it is protected. But if you're going to participate in hackathons, there's a lot of hackathons actually being conducted not just here in ISAT-U, but in the different government agencies, even private, no? They should participate, no? They should expose themselves kay sa dalayon nga pag-participate, like for example si Daniel, no? At first year recruit ko ni siya sa ISATEC.
Galing recruit
as third year ISATEC siya gyapon, but he managed to to travel in different places, no? Pitching.
Not just locally, no?
Not just local,
International.
but national. Hopefully international, no? But pitching his idea or concept that would help improve the gaps, no? In terms of the issues existing in the country and opportunities as well nga maka-help siya through his innovative solution. Dan, anong advice mo sa mga students?
I think for the students, no, I think kahit syempre some of them are intimidated into this hackathon, but actually hackathon is a way for you to discover new things actually mo, and of course to train you to really solve a real world problem, not just a school project na problem, di ba? It is also to hone your skills, technical or non-technical. I think hackathon is very open and really a door for everyone for you to discover a new skill or maybe a new thing sa imo. Di mo siya mapadiscover. Ayan.
So, thank you very much for your time, no? But, mabalik na kamagyapon because sa aton nga pagbalik, pag-istoryahan naman naton kung ano ang Isa Tech Society. So, sit back and relax and we will come back after this short break.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapagulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ISATU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now! Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na! Nabudlayan ka bala mangita sang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sang venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sang Industry Linkages Development Office for Reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building kag pangitaalang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang Project Manager sa Rental Services, or si Ms. Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190 local 292. Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na!
Years of purpose, progress, and transformation. From a vision, a university was born driven by knowledge, strengthened by innovation, and guided by service. This is no ordinary university.
This is ISATU.
Hello, good afternoon. Welcome back to Study Break now, and it's 3:28 in the afternoon, and I'm Jeff, no, sa Study Break. So sinis buong ang atang natas buong istorihon is about the ISATEC Society. So what is ISATEC?
So basically, ISATEC Society is a special interest club under Quadra TBI and IPMO. So ISATEC is focusing on student-led startups. No, what we're doing is we're honing the skills of the students or the members of ISATEC Society to do startups, student-led startups, and even projects. So the goals of ISATEC is, of course, to drive the objectives of the IPMO and, of course, Quadra TBI, and to the main goal, is for students to have a startup venture na samtang early pa lang, di ba la? And ayun, ISATEC Society was established back in
2023.
2023, yeah. 2023.
2023, yeah.
So 3 years pa lang si ISATEC. So yeah.
Si ISATEC, one of the startup, di ba, sang Quadra, right? Actually, ISATEC is a student organization na siya sang Quadra TBI, under Quadra TBI. Ang kinalainan dira sa other organization is because we are under the ISATEC Quadra TBI. At the same time, wala sila may ginabayad nga fees, no? Wala gid, no? Wala.
Okay.
And also may funds, no, coming from the Quadra TBI mismo or under IPMO.
So ano siya gali as student orgs, right?
Student organization.
So,
siya, under siya sa OSAS, or they function as the student organization in ESATU. But also wala kami membership fee, pero may sustaining funds kita for them for their activities, programs in line with startups, in line with hackathons, no, research or ano na. So I know research is a very kung mag-usaling ka research, kakapoy or ano.
Yes.
Do ka very draining, but yeah, so we make it fun, no? Basically in ISATEC.
So aside from being a functionally organization, student or orgs, right? Ano ang unique sa inyo compared sa ibang student org sa di ba under kamusta under kamusta ISATU? So what is the unique or the differentiate from other orgs diri sa ISAT?
Yeah, I think here is what we promote technopreneurship. I think what's the most unique siguro here is that everybody is welcome. No, well, I mean niche down siya ng organization, but the thing is we welcome technical and non-technical students, no, to explore their potential on entrepreneurship as well as in technology. So basically, negosyo, yes, we talk about those, but at the same time, we tailor it into how startup really approaches a problem, and later on can be a market potential. And also, we hone the skills of the students, or the members, by inviting mga mentors, no, and of course, wala siya bayad. So that is very unique as well. Sa aton,
no? Quadra TBI has a lot of pool of mentors that help support students. Not just ISATEC Society, wala kami galimit lang sa tanan nga mga kung ISATEC ka, ikaw kamo lang amon nga tutukan, but all, as much as possible, all student who wants to create a solution, who has something, ideas in mind that they want to work on with, so open gid kami here in Quadra TBI with the help of ISATEC Society.
Wow, that's good. No? That's good to know. And anong mga usual yung mga events, activities that sa ISAT 3?
I think what we did last, in line with the university founding anniversary, what we did was it was a launch pad. What we did, it is a umbrella of events. Now we invite all those students under ISATU, not only members. We invite them to meet real CEOs, sa mga talks, as well as may mga exhibits. And this upcoming Charter Week or Charter Day, ayun, may Code Olympics na naman siya. And Code Olympics is becoming annual na.
Under ISATEC, right?
Under ISATEC and under Quadra TBI as well. So third year yun na subong ni Code Olympics.
Wow. 3 years and ongoing pa, di ba, like in the future, yes.
Gadako lang ang gadako.
Nice to hear. Doka namin ito nga ang isa ka university, especially this ISATU, produce students like you, and may mga Quadra TBI and ISATEC that
ga-produce ng mga tech innovations and things nga dapat kinahanglan sa mga student sa mga in the future. So what usually ang technology nga produce? What are the technologies that usually gina-produce nyo sa Quadra TBI, especially sa isa tech?
As much as possible, kung actually there's kumbaga various ang aton nga ang scope dira, but also we are trying to we are open man, even non-tech or technology, but also in Quadra TBI ang amon gina priority is ang those who are emerging technology, which involves may prototype kit siya, sir. May minimum viable product nga may working prototype, wherein some of our startups mayara sila sa mga ilang mga products are made of applications through mobile, mayara man kita nga website, so through that kind of product ma-deliver nila ang necessary need or gaps sa community, or sa beneficiary man, for example, to solve, through that innovative solution nga ginatawag natin.
So is it fun?
Fun, actually challenging na ang team, kinahanglan tutukan mo ginaya. Dapat hindi kumatakaan ka chat pag na as a matter of fact, 99% of all startups fail. So 1% lang dayang go on lang na. So kung ka-fail ka, it's okay. You can pivot, you can change other MVPs or what, but don't stop. Wala na problema.
Porsige, no?
Yeah, but the thing is sa student naman yung perspective, what we call fun is you really have to fall in love with the process of making the idea. And they were very passionate, some of the students very passionate sila idea. What we do is just we guide them.
Okay.
So, yun.
Okay, doon lang yung perspective sa nag-graduate ngayon ako sa student pa lang, no?
3 years pa, joke lang. Naging man ng perspective.
Pag-graduate mo, lain ng pananawan mo do.
Maganda stay ko, di kaya kung feel ko kung nandula ako sila, feel ko lain na ako mindset, charot lang.
So susunod ka naman sa student naman yung perspective, how do you balance, because student pa lang ka mo, how do you balance that life? Because I know being ang sa ining nga field, ang pagiging isa tech ay need mo na siyang tutukan mo, need mo na focus. Kay dira ka grow as for your future. So paano mo siya ma-balance?
Well, sa akon, personally, as a computer science student, in our field, be in the computer department or computer-related courses, diploma is not just enough for you to land a job after graduate. So what we do is really, we do projects. So how can we balance academics at the same time isa tech society? Well, diriabe, in doing startup, especially as student-led, there is no guarantee na your startup will succeed unless blessed ka na gid or luck ka na gid with the 1% nga ra alidra. Pero this is not to discourage everybody to start. Ang importante dire is you've started it. Kaya later on, ang compounding sang growth, regardless if fail or succeed ang startup, amo ni hindi mabawi sa student. I mean, yung curriculum is there for you to be, matudlan ka sa mga teachers, but then again, lain man niya ang learning nga makuha mo based off experience.
Okay, yes. Kaya do, usually daan, ang atibang aton nga norms is, ang norms ta, kung may diploma ka,
you can land a job.
Yes, you can have that automatic job na dayon. But diri in sa Quadra TBI or pagiging sa entrepreneur, paano mo siya may barricade bala? Paano mo na overcome, because after graduate, even though we have that diploma or as a students.
Actually, amo na gina-motivate natin mga students naton. By the time actually graduation, of course, amo na naton fulfillment, after 4 years. And we wanted to train the students, to make a business, to start a business in the future. Kaya it's okay to have a job in the future, but also if you wanted to magkakwarta pagihid, we need to go beyond the diploma, meaning kinahanglan ta mag innovate in terms of ano pa kitang pili ta maobra kaya makwartahan naton.
Yeah.
Yeah, so as a student nga, I mean, tanan nga mga members ng ISATEC Society, ang always ko lang ginahambal sila is when you graduate, there's no guarantee you will land a job. Why? It's because, for example, sa imong course, nakagraduate ka, but damo man universities may wala man nga course. So let's say 100 or 1,000 nakagraduate sa ISATU, mo ang other universities nga may 1,000, 2,000 man. So what makes you different to those kung magtubangay na kamo sa HR o sa hiring, di ba la? So like kung diploma ng kapot mo, well may diploma man siya. Di ba la? So I think ano mo nang motivate.
The world is competitive enough right now. You baka mag-graduate ka. I mean, this is reality. Once you graduated, there's a lot of competitors na damo gilya competitive siya.
From the perspective of
nag-graduate feeling ko damo ko niya would like mangita job, no? But luckily I'm here in ISATU helping these students, no, guide them to make solutions, basically to change the mindset, not just to aim for the diploma. Yes, required Gideon to aim the diploma, but also go beyond, no? You innovate, join hackathon, and probably before ka mo mag-graduate, I can make a innovative business idea that I can, generate money. So muna aton nga gina-hope sa aton nga isa.
Grabe man siguro pag shape sang ISATEC mo, no?
Ay grabe. Naging shape na kaya from circle to square. I mean, nilain na shape.
Why ka man nag-hexagram?
Oh my God.
Change ang polygons.
Gani, double angles.
So, what is your message or how and paano sila maka-join sa ISATEC or sa Quadra? Or even mag-create sila sang ilang ordra under sa Quadra.
Unahon to siguro ang Quadra TBI.
Yes.
Quadra TBI, if you wanted to join, any students, actually we're open to students, alumni, no, ang mga bag-ulang graduate, pwede ka makabalik dere. Even our faculty, researchers, and all other, ibisan nila, ka mo or hindi ka ma-affiliated sa ISATU, if you have an idea, just come, call us, email us, through Facebook page, kadto lang kamo diri sa opisina. We are open 8 to 5, no? And we wanted to, listen, no, to your solution or what's your idea in mind, yung gusto na i-share sa amon. Promise, we will be helping you. We're willing, no, to help you. For students?
For ISATEC Society, ISATEC Society holds a, I think next academic year we will hold another membership drive now. But to all students, we really encourage you to form a team na right away, regardless if kilala ka mo or hindi. Pero, kung maka-form na ka mo sang team, kag maka-approach ka mo sa ISATEC, then we are more than welcome for you to join us because we're already naka-set up na kami sa mga teams namon based off sa mga members. But then if you want to join us, just form a team, inform us na you wanna join, then pwede ta na siya mapungkuan dayon.
Okay. So napatian niyo to guys, no? Open sila. So apply na kamo. Then basta may shoutout ka mo or sa mga to our listeners and viewers.
Actually, ang shout out ko, it's more of a call, no, sa aton ng mga faculty innovators, no. So to our dear faculty members in the whole ISATU system wide, we are very much willing to invite you to join Code Olympics Faculty Edition or Faculty Innovation Edition. Ang deadline sa ni is on May 12. It was posted in the ISATU Public Information and Communications Office page. And of course, if you wanted to join, you may approach your respective campus administrators, deans, or even your IP coordinators. So we are very much welcome to kinala namon participants for this hackathon. And sa aton mabalaan, no, nga aton nga faculty here are very much willing and to compete and to make a better solutions for the gaps and issues here in the community and here in the university.
So ang atong hackathon is system-wide.
System-wide, sir. Yes.
Okay. Ay, but before I forget a question. Ang ISATEC or is system-wide din ba?
Yes, actually. Dan, can you share to us nga ang ISATEC naton?
Yeah, we've started to go to different campuses of ISATU. I think last 2 years ago, may ISATEC na kita sa Leon, Miagao, Barotac, and ayun, here sa City Campus. So yeah, it became system-wide na siya actually.
Okay, that's good to know. So, shout out.
Shout out, of course, ISATEC members and mga teams who are currently working for a project. Shout out, Baka.
Shout out din sa Quadra TVI team, IPMO team, to my friends there, DJen, thank you, and God bless. Salamat, kid, sa study break for featuring us.
So thank you for accepting our invite, and thank you for coming here. And for our next topic, it will be a different topic, and stay tuned. We'll be right back.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapagulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad? Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ISATU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now! Nabudlayan ka bala mangita sang venue para sa inyong event? Ang Iloilo Science and Technology University nagaparenta sang venues para sa conference, seminars, review centers, livelihood trainings, kag iban pa. Magkadto lang sa office sang Industry Linkages Development Office for reservation nga nahaptang sa second floor sa Student Services Building. Kag mangita lang si Mr. Francis Fritz S. Portuno, ang project manager sa rental services, or si Miss Jane Zaragoza. O kung magtawag lang sa telephone number 033-3207-190, local 292.
11 years of purpose, progress, and transformation. From a vision, a university was born driven by knowledge, strengthened by innovation, and guided by service. This is no ordinary university.
This is ESETU.
Nakabakal ka na bala sang imo PE uniform? Kung wala pa, magkadto na sa ISATU Integrated Income Resource Generation Program Store. Nahamtang sa kilid sang ISATU sa Dalan Burgos, La Paz. Sa IIRGP Store, mahimo man kamo makabakal sang tela para sa ISATU uniform, ID lace, university t-shirt, kag mga souvenir items sa presyo nga barato. So ano pang ginahulat mo? Bakal na!
Alas 3 na!
Magpamati na sa
Hello, ESETU!
Ginadulong sa inyo sa Public Information and Communications Office sa Iloilo Science and Technology University.
Hello, ESETU!
Dili lang sa DYLL 585 kag sa ISATU Public Information Office Facebook page. Alas 3 tugtog alas 4 sang hapon. Martes tugtog Biyernes.
Featuring Ladies First, isa ka weekly magazine show on women, lifestyle, health, kag madamo pa. Tagsa ka Martes ukol kay Lucille Haspe, kag Jovet Amy Arceta.
Real Talk, ibaluon ang mga programa, proyekto, academic programs, and university policies upod kay Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil and ESAQ President Dr. Gabriel M. Salistri Jr. sa Tagsa Kamiyerkules.
Study Bright, ang programa naging disenyo para sa mga estudyante. May talent ka man o wala, magpamati na para hindi ka maulhi sa Study Break. Ginadulong sa inyo ni Gray Habaradas kag ni Jeff Sustituido, Tagsa Kawebes.
Level Up, ang programa nga magdala sa inyo sa nagkalailaing nga parte sa kalibutan kung sa diin ng ESAQ may global collaboration sa international advancement. Kag sa Tagsa Kabernes, kanta si Miss Gida Napone kag Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil. Don't miss it! Your afternoons just got smarter. Whether on air
Or online,
stay informed
inspired,
and connected.
Good afternoon. It's 3:48 in the afternoon, no? Subong, we have a new guest or another guest. Please welcome us, Sir Lino and Sir Vince, no, for our this topic. So this topic, today's highlight is the upcoming Technetomia, no? Technetomia fashion updates for 2026. To start off, no, can you briefly introduce yourself and tell us about your role?
Hello Isatyo, hello Iloilo, hello Pilipinas, an sa tanan nga malambutan sining Waragwagan sa bilog nga kalibutan. Maayong hapon sa inyo tanan. Ako gali si Dr. Lino Valdebarona, Faculty and Fashion Research and a former department head of the Fashion and Wellness Department.
Mayang hapon Iloilo, mayang hapon Isatyo. I am Vince Asares, Fashion and Wellness Department faculty, teaching fashion presentation course.
Sir, sir, welcome sir, no, sir, mga welcome sa atong program. Then, for our starter, sir, I will ask now, what is Technetomia? Now, this fashion update for 2026.
Sige Sir Jeff, no? Before kita magkadto dira sa topiko nga Technetomia, gusto lang namon ipahibalo gali sa bilog nga tagpalamati sining Waragwagan that on May 12, Technetomia is only a part of the celebration of the Fashion and Wellness Department. Okay. Because we have the whole day affair. This will be started with the bazaar exposure of our students, wherein all program under the Fashion and Wellness Department will showcase the students' output and the syllable items in their different courses to include their technopreneur courses, wherein they will showcase the students' output, syllable items in the university. And then this is open to all. No? We requested our university president to allow guests to enter the university for this specific purpose. So we have a parallel session also with our technology partners and industry partners, for cosmetology, beauty care and wellness. Then we have also for our culinary technology. Now we have a parallel sessions on different topics, and also for our fashion design and merchandising program. But the highlight in the afternoon from 2 o'clock onwards, that would be 2 phases of fashion presentation that will exhibit the different competencies acquired by the students in terms of fashion research and development in creating products which is market ready and innovated through our science and technological intervention.
Oh, so sir, what inspired your department now to organize this kind of event?
So actually, this is a yearly activity. As practice, we conduct this most of the time sa mall. Now, but however, we experience right now the energy crisis, and then the management agreed that we will settle down again back to Isatyo. No? But in terms of motivation, before the birth of the program offered in the department, we have a strong motivation that to bring the name of Isatyo worldwide through offering the courses which is globally competitive programs. No? Since we are all aware of the Miss Universe and the likes,
yes,
no?
Sir.
So fashion industry is a global market, are having a global appreciation already. So, in ISATU, we are dealing beyond fashion product. So, wherein we incorporate technological innovations and scientific processes in our creation. So, the students are encouraged to choose their own specific concept, wherein they can incorporate science, technology, and innovation in their product. So we are very strong confidence that we can produce highly qualified designers as well as their product, that can gain international or worldwide appreciation in the future. So dako gining amon nga handom, nga ibalik ang ngalan sang Iloilo as a fashion capital of the Philippines. Since we are known before the Spanish regime, we are already known as a textile capital of the country. So nadula ini siya tungod sa mga current development, but since we are fortunate that the Department of Science and Technology granted the Regional Yarn Production and Innovation Center, wherein we produce our natural yarn, and then that natural yarn being now produced as Hilo Textile. And since Hilo Textile is a least subscribed textile right now, so the department is very motivated to innovate that particular textile and bring to market. So that is why the Technotomia, the concept of our students, which is a fantasy word, being floated way back 3 years ago, and then since the fashion presentation this coming May 12, being produced by our third-year students, so ginbalik ina siya nga word as their main concept in the fashion presentation.
Oh, so it's a historical sir, event.
Yes, very historic event in the life and culture of Ilonggo.
Wow. So sir, ano ba lang yung ma-expect sa mga students or sa mga sir, sa mga makadto, sir?
Sir Vince,
They're gonna expect some new style, aesthetic on the fashion. So makita nila ang the students innovate the fashion using materials, innovating ng materials, and also ginapaano namon sila, ginapa-practice using sustainable materials and innovation, and dira man kasulod dayon sa amon nga the research science technology nila.
Oh. So sa naman sir, sa aside from the perspective naman sa mga participants, sir, what will be gain, anong mang-gain nila?
Sige Sir Jeff, daw kanami nga pamangkot, so by the way, Sir Vince is teaching the fashion presentation, and me is all about research, so maybe expect nila nga ang out of the world na mga concept magwa, and then kung nantawon naton ini nga mga creation sa aton nga estudyante, very novel yet, because this undergone a scientific evaluation. We are very thankful for our research hub for providing us the time to use the laboratory for our scientific investigation as to material testing, color fastness testing, moisture content testing. So all of those creation nga ipakita sa mga estudyante this coming May 12. All are product of research which is incorporated to a fashion collection. So kung lang tawon naton ang mga creation sang kabataan, lain gid siya sang sa iban, yes. They will experience the new evolution of textile, the new evolution of fashion materials, expect nila may mga ara kita dira nga mga film produced out of pineapple fiber, mixture of natural yarn and synthetic yarn, different proportion of natural fibers nga makita sa fashion collection sang kabataan, recycled embellishments such as beads and the likes, so amo nang makita naton, yes. So hopefully ang tanan nga nagapamati makadtog sa ISATU this coming May 12,
sir. So how does this event, sir, encourage confidence, teamwork, and creative among students?
Okay, so I'm teaching fashion presentation. So ginaano namon ng student that they could handle the event. They don't want to plan so that gina-guide man namon sila para maging successful ang ilang upcoming events sa May 12.
Yes, sir. Again, sir, din ganit, sir, ang i-hold kaning event, sir, for clarification, sir?
The event will be held in Iloilo Science and Technology Multipurpose Educational Center from 2 o'clock until 7 o'clock in the evening.
Okay. So, guys, to our listeners and viewers, the event will be held in ISATU Multipurpose Gym or the center, right? From 2 p.m. and onwards.
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 segments na siya for the afternoon namon nga event. So we have the matinee, which is not the competing. So, and the gala is the competing siya.
Okay.
So ang matinee will start 2 p.m. Then the gala will start 5 p.m.
Okay.
So to differentiate, Sir Jeff, sang duwa, no? Ang gala collections, these are the selected pieces or concept that undergo thorough research and innovation processes, wherein they are selected according to their science and technology innovations.
Oh.
So those materials I mentioned earlier, dito na siya makita sa gala. So ang sa aton matinee, that is a general opportunity for the fashion design student to showcase also their creation, but that go deeper on research processes.
Okay, that's no, sir.
Regular process, sir.
Hindi ko malo, pero in the long run though, do ka proud kung siya nga outcome, no. So in the next interview, we'll be interviewing the students naman. So we'll be having a short break, and thank you.
Handong mo bala maging eksperto sa lakat sang panahon? Gusto mo bala manguna sa pag-anunsyo kung may nagapagulong ang pagkuluupon kalamidad?
Ari na ang pinakauna sa bilog ng Western Visayas. Gusto gid ang nabalaan nyo. Yari na sa ISATU ang kurso para sa mga luyag magtuon sa atmospheric processes, physics, kag advanced mathematics. Ang BS Meteorology. Be a pioneer. Be a weather scientist. Be the shield of the nation against climate change. Dili sa ISATU, i-level up namon ang inyong kinaalam sa siyensya sang aton panahon. BS Meteorology is waiting for you at ISATU. Enroll now!
Mayong hapon, liwat sa tanan. I'm still your host, Gray, and welcome back to Study Break. So, ang mga gin-interview kagina ni Sir Jeff is our faculty, no? Right now, we are going to interview naman the students. Pamatian to naman kung ano ang sa side nila. So, can you please introduce yourselves?
Okay, so good afternoon everyone. I am Mariana Maria Alvimena, a third-year student of Bachelor of Science in Fashion Design and Merchandising, major in women's wear.
And mayong hapon sa tanan, ako gali si Lancer Heramiano, student of BSFDM and a major of menswear.
So, thank you very much for accepting our invitation. No? Salamat man paghatag sa opportunity sa amon nga ma-promote ang inyo nga mga events. So, in speaking of events, no, na-mention kagina ni Sir Lino, may harap kitang BSFDM Research Output Runway. Ano ini siya bala? Kag ano ang gina-expect naton nga matabo sinadi?
So, bali, ang pagganibato natin subong okasyon or event sang BSFDM, tama ni siya ka-significant sa amon kurso kay this is the time for us to showcase our skills, our learnings, ang tanan nga gintudlo kamon nga mga teachers. So, ang pinaka-highlight gini sang amon event is the collection of the students. Kay nga ang collection niya hindi niya basta-basta lang nga bayo nga makit-an mo sa downtown o sa Shein, pero kay ang bayo niya nga pagabuhaton sa mga estudyante ya mayada gini research, innovation, kag tama katahom sa mga binuwatan sa mga estudyante sang ini nga kurso.
So in short, special gini siya, no, di ba la? Sa dugo at pawis na ihambal no sa pag-design kag sa pag-ubraso ni. So in terms no, ano ang sa output nyo? Kamo ang nag-design kag ano man ang inyong kamo man gayahan ga model or may ginakuha kita nga mga model sila?
Well, in that, we have the ESAT models. It is worked by our faculty, especially the Servians Estaras.
So it is an organization.
Yes, sir.
Under this course.
Under this course. So we do really have students nga models ang inyo. Kag sila lang ginatap naton.
Yes. Before, nag-model casting kami. We provide them the qualifications and nami man kay damo gid nga students ang ESAT ang willing gid mag-casting nga mag-model namon.
Is it exclusive lang sa aton nga university or outside man?
Well, we can freely choose the outside models man.
I see. So it's open sa tanan.
Yes.
So kanami lang no. So pwede niyo mahambal sa amon ano ang special gid sa runway nga ini?
With regards to this runway, ang one sa pinaka-special sini is yung innovative work and byproduct of their research. Kay nga daan, one sa pinaka-essential nga ginatudlo sa amon diri is to advertise the product nga ginaobra sang ESAT Miag-Aw nga under sa RIPIC nga atwag ni nga center, or it is called the Regional Yarn Production and Innovation Center nga sila dito sa Miag-Aw ga produce. So kami as student of BSFBM, we are the students nga innovative sang ila product nang we're trying to look for other purpose how to utilize this fabric. So this fabric is being undergone to different kinds of research or testings. Like for example, sa research ko, we try to explore the possibilities nga ang inigali nga tela maski natural fiber siya kaya siya i-print sang sublimation. So with this regards, ang nami diri kag ang special sa muni is we open the other perspective kag possibilities nga ang aton product sa ESAT Miag-Aw damo siya gali pulos kag damo siya maibulig sa aton nga business ang ESAT kag sa aton nga local products. So with this regards, ang amon research tama siya ka-influential kag dako ang bulig sa future maski sa research kag dako iya mabulig nga mayara sang possibilities nga makabulig sa kaayo sa economy sang aton produkto.
So nami lang no nga ang aton nga locally no, it's local produkto pa sang ESAT Miag-Aw partnered with the OST RYPIC no, RYPIC so ginatawag naton. And then you're trying to research more and kung din pa siya gapon. So it's an innovation. So kanami lang nga ginagamit naman nga lokal ta nga brand, and also we can consider na siguro nga maybe in the near future international na siya ni wala no. So thank you very much for the effort nga ginhatag nyo through this research. Last na lang no, sa aton nga event nga ni I think there will be 2 presentations no. Ano na sila nga mga presentations?
Okay, so with this event, meron kita duwa ka set of presentation. So yung presentation ngani is divided into 2, and which is going to be the first show is called Matinee. It is the afternoon show of different students man. But yung difference ang second show is the gala or the gala night. Amo naman yung top 20. Ang top 20 ni consist ni of top 10 sang men's major kag women's major. But silingon amo ni ang mga pinsahi. Amo ni ang abangan sa bilog na adlaw, sa bilog nga okasyon. Amo ni ang pinilian nga pinasahi nga mga produkto sa mga bayo. So ang aton abangan ang sa gabi gidya.
Okay,
kay ang gini ang gina-look forward, gina-highlight, ang gini ang ginatawag nila nga bugal gid sang ESAT na
So kanami ilang galing nga may mga amutas ini nga mga schemes no nga pinasahit. Pero correct me if I'm wrong, that's top 10 from the women and top 10 from the men.
Correct.
So thank you kita sa mga program. So kung nami ba lang may haba kita top 10 tapos may pilian pa di ba lang? So anyway, sa aton nga before we end no, we will give them the chance to invite you sa ilang event, and also gain nyo man sila chance to promote their local products. Kay sa totoo lang nami ang designs nila. Nami gid ang designs ang aton nga BSFDM.
Okay, so we would like to invite everyone na mag-watch gid sa amon nga thesis presentation one way on May 12, 2026 at ISATU Multipurpose Educational Center. And also, I believe if magkadto ka madre, hindi lang runway ang makita nyo, kundi ma-witness nyo gid of how creative and innovative the students of ISATU are.
To add to that no, hindi lang ang mga models naton, ang mga designers naton, mga pang-model man sila, abi nyo lang. Sila man yung silang ga-model case ang ilang mga gamit no. So it's that true, Chuck Dogan man?
True.
Correct.
Kung wala choice, kami masaksok.
So thank you once again no, for coming into our show. And before we end, I would like to thank our University President, Dr. Gabriel M. Solistre, Junior, our 4 campus administrators, our 4 Vice Presidents, our Administrative Council, our Director, especially Dr. Heinz B. Gumakil, sa faculty, students of ISATU. Thank you for listening, and sa aton nga ibang nga tagkapalamati outside ISATU. Thank you very much again for sticking to this show. We hope to see you again. Goodbye for now.
Ito ang Presidential Broadcast Service.
Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko
ng bagong Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon na guugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Sa Iloilo, Radyo Pilipinas. 585 AM.